Yo, I'm back. New pickup from Supreme. This is week 10 drop. Almost catching up to that week 11. I'm always like 1 or 2 weeks behind because shipping to the West Coast takes 1 full week. Sometimes they ship like on a Monday or Tuesday. So I was able to pick up a couple items from week 10. Alright, let's get to this one first. So I got 2 box logos. This is the Supreme Bandana, which just says "Go fuck yourself." Made in India. Supreme right there. I copped this for my cousin. Here's a tag. This is for him. I ain't gonna open it, but I don't fuck with bandanas. He does, so that's his. Copped them for him. Nerd box logo. Package number 2 right here. No invoice on both of these, but this one, the Satin Supreme Champion, another collab. This is the ash gray Supreme bag, has that Satin Champion logo. Oh, very heavy. I love it because inside is all black of the hood. Super sick. Embroidered Supreme on the left arm. It says Supreme right there. That Champion logo. Check it out. Just a clean piece. This Champion logo just pops so much. This satin. Super sick. Show you the tag. Has that size medium. Champion, authentic, Supreme, made in Cambodia. Has that Champion ribbing all throughout. Super nice. Happy I was able to grab this piece. This was during the Supreme Up Tempos collab that week, so people were going for those and kind of sleeping on this. So my newest pickup, Champion Supreme hoodie and bandana. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the support. Giveaway will be coming soon when I hit 2K subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace.